Hi to the like 17 people who see this. This is my brother. We're gonna do a burping contest video.
Yeah. She's so weird.
He's my half brother. It's the same mother, different father. But yes, and I don't even know what we're drinking. In all honesty, I think it's like carbonated water.
Smells good.
He's just sniffing it. This will be on my channel. But yeah, let's do this.
We're not posting
Michael.
this anymore.
Michael.
Hey, they don't need to know my middle name.
I call him Big Gummy.
That's my other middle name. Wait, okay, we're starting. Oh, darn it. Oh, come on, that was my little burp. Did you hear that little, like, squeak?
I win.
Hold on. Come out.
I win.
No.
Is this still recording?
Yes, I won.
Oh, come on.
That was the second one. This is funny to watch him try, though.
I win.
No, you don't, you dumbass. I won this. We can do another one if y'all want. We just gotta find more carbonated drinks.
Maybe.
Follow my brother. He has a channel. He's posted the 15-year-old Murphy challenge gone wrong.
Murphy, it's Murph, okay? Not Murphy. It's not Murphy, bro. It's
When
not
you
Murphy.
post a new video,
Bye, y'all.
video.
Remember, turn your disadvantages into your advantages.
Yeah.